Okay, there we are. Okay, hello. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
You had
Hi.
amazing.
Hey.
Hi. Nice to see all of you. I got some emergency call, so I had to run to do some rescue. Sorry, been late.
That's okay.
But today is the first day of the class, first meeting, so I think we still don't have any questions that much yet, right? If you have any question about the course, you can ask me, okay? And about the chapter 1 or chapter 2, if you have studied working on that and can come some any questions for you, you can always share with us. Okay. The good things you can just show, just share, right? Share and share your screen so I can look at what's the problem you have. If that's related to the homework assignments or even the quiz questions, I can answer here. Okay. Uh, let me see. We have how many people here now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like.
1, 2, 3. Huh? 2 images.
You have
Same person. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh,
9, 10. And my
I
screen,
only see
17 participants.
my screen got something block my view. I need to eliminate this. Okay. Let me see. What is this? You are muted. Okay. But now I can see everybody's name. So if you have webcam, it's good they prepare that, okay? Because when we are going to take the midterm exam or final exam, it's required to have a webcam. So at the beginning, you better make sure all your tools are working, right? We don't want to wait until a day before, a night before, try to get everything done, okay? And so we need a webcam. We need a microphone, okay, for our exam. Because exam will be online. And you can do it at home or any place that you prefer. That's why the college require us to use responders. And responders is kind of computer software. And it's online proctor. So that's why they use camera and they use a microphone as some tool to supervise while you're taking the exam without the instructor, any human there. So that's kind of requirement. Okay. So very nice. Yeah, you should try to prepare and we can use our Zoom meeting to make sure everything is working. Okay. I was going to take a picture. I think that's the easy way to see. And also, everyone, you can go to the chat there to post something like a hello, right? Everyone, or something, so I can get everybody's name. But for today, I think I will take the picture first. So that way, everyone can get this a quick way, right? Use modern technology. So this way, I can have everyone in my picture. Yeah. So later, I can give you the credit for participation. Okay. So, this class, we have support course, right? This support course 96 is supporting our statistical class because we want some algebra support because the statistics, once in a while, you need some algebra skill. And algebra, maybe we have done a long time ago, right? 5 years ago, 10 years ago, we forgot already. And you are not required to take the algebra class again. Before, okay, we require student, if your transcript shows 5 years ago, then we require you to algebra again, intermediate algebra. But now the new law, California law, that we call AB 705, AB 1705, two laws. try to help the student to go through, get rid of all the barrier of the keep on taking the prerequisite and never get it down the college level created yet, because they discover from the statistics and found that many students take so long to finish a math class. That's why now we have this new law to for the community college, that we can just add on support course, so you don't need a prerequisite. Okay, doesn't matter you took the algebra before, or doesn't matter how long ago you did, or doesn't matter you forgot already. Before we had this mass placement test. Okay, all the students came in. You need to take the placement test to see where is your level. Okay, so that's brought a lot of student paths to move on to the college level, because many students will kind of need was asked to take the pre-algebra, algebra, elementary algebra, beginning out we call intermediate algebra. Okay, so that's took too long. Each class is 4 units. That's 12 units there. So now we have this support course. Okay, that's the purpose here. So support course, you can see that there are 7 units, and I designed that way. Just watch the videos, okay, and you can see how much you remembered. Maybe recall your memory back, right? And we watch the video, then we are going to practice one very similar exercise. So you try to do that way to get to know this required math skills. And if you like to read something, I think I posted something at the homepage. If you go to the homepage, you will discover this is some free online algebra for you to review again. But at least you need to complete these 7 units. Okay. For this math 96, we are not required to take the midterm exam or final exam here. Midterm final, you just focus on statistic, math 160. Okay. And this math 96 is help you the skill, and just helps here. So you at least need to complete those requirements. 7 units of the video and exercise, and participation in discussion board. I created a discussion board there, so you can post your questions, right? Given the pre-algebra questions, sometimes we forgot how can we convert from the fraction into the percent, right? That's something we done a long time ago. But now in statistical class, we need have this skill, be able to set up the probability in fraction first, then convert to the decimals, then convert to the percent. So all example like this will be shown on your 7 units practice video exercise. Okay. So you just need to complete that, and you will say, oh, do we have deadline for that? I don't think I set out the deadline for that one, okay? Because that one is, if you can move on to do as much you can, it's better. So you will have your algebra skill ready to do math 160, right? And ideally, you should try to get it done before, I will say, up to the 8th week, okay? After 8th week or maybe 10 weeks, it should, maybe that's, yeah. Try to do that way. Every week, do something to learn some skill. So that will help you better when you get into the math 160. Reading the problem, solving the problem, you are more capable, right? And be able to do the problem easier. So that's one thing. Okay. So the grading to decide is math math 96. We based on your completion of the 7 units video exercise, watching video and practice. Okay. And that's 70% of the score. And I think 30% coming from your participation, like a Zoom meeting. Okay. Zoom meeting and post question on the discussion board. because I received some students. They said they are working at this time, 5 to 6 here. They are working. So if you are working, I cannot force you to come here. But you just have to watch our recorded video, right? To see what's going on and don't stay behind. Also, you allowed to post something, post a question, something to show your presence. You watched the videos, okay? And so that's what we designed for this Math 96 here. Participation, right, in the discussions and Zoom meetings. And these Zoom meetings try to help you in case you have any questions, right, while you are studying yourself. And online is not easy, okay? You have to be very disciplined, disciplined. Not a, and online learning is not for everybody, only for those people who are really disciplined. Certain time I have to do certain things, right? And I have some assignment that need to complete by certain time, certain before the midterm and before the final, need to get done. Okay. So that's why you are very special people here that's taking the online course and also working, right? So, but we'll get our goal to move on, okay? And so this is for your Math 96. And for math, even the Math 96 Zoom meeting, you can bring the questions from the Math 160 statistics. Okay, when you get into the chapter 1 completion, chapter 2 completion, maybe chapter 1 no question yet, but chapter 2, I believe some people will have question on that. Chapter 2 is long chapters with I think 8 sections there. And that's important subject provided there, because that's kind of we call descriptive statistic, describing the data. And you know, statistic, it is a study of the science of the data, right? We study of data. So data is important in here, but we have certain way to do it. But basically, I want to keep in mind 3 things. Number 1, collection of the data. You got to collect something so we can study on, right? And once you have those data, we need to be able to organize data, analyze data, right? And be able to draw the conclusion. And number 3, I would say, draw the conclusion. Okay. Number 2 is analysis. Analysis, organization, organize the data, and yeah, and analysis, and a lot of analysis we will go over. Then number 3, step 3 is a conclusion, right? After the result coming from our formulas. We have a lot of statistical formulas, but this class will allow you to use TI-8384, right? Because it's very handy. This is the TI-84, okay, the one I have here. And TI-84 plus C is very useful because I would say TI-84 got all the formula that's in for this course. It's all programmed inside here. TI-83 is the older version. TI-83 came out maybe about 15 years ago, okay? And TI-84 maybe like 10 years ago, okay? More recently, or yeah, not 10, maybe 5 years ago or 6 years ago, we got this one. So this one is the improved one. And at least this one, we don't need to worry about the battery. 83, if you take the exam, your battery is down, you kind of stuck, okay? But this one is charged at home, and we have cable, right? I have cable here behind me. Once in a while, you just need to charge with a cable plug it onto the wall, okay? So once you charged, you can use it a long time with this. So this is improved version. And And then this one also, you can plug in into onto the with your computer laptop. So your graph you do here can reflect into your computer screen as well. And so in the future, if you work for some company or you work for some project for another classes, and you have project, right? You need to print out the beautiful graph because TI-84 can do the graph for you, and that will print out nicely, beautifully. Okay, you don't need to do by hand. That's very ugly, right? So, and this can do it. So this is our tool, okay? And we also can use computer software, but the problem of the computer software is not everybody got that. Well, I think for some, I heard from the SAT exam, they are allowed to use the TI-84. Okay, so it's kind of like a admitted tool to be used. Okay. So that's the tool, and you better watch the video I posted in each forum there, okay, each discussion forum in Math 160, because when we try to learn how to use a TI-84 or 83, TI-83 is also can do the work. The problem is maybe one function is missing. Okay? When we come to the chapter 11, yeah, chapter 11, we have one function which is not implemented in the TI-83. But you have to just do the long way to get done. But TI-84 got everything we have mentioned in the course here. All the functions inside because this is a newer version. That's why if you can afford to get one, better get it. Okay, and after you finish the statistic, if you don't need no longer use that your TI-84, you can resell again, right? You already use it. Right? But if you keep it, it's good in the future when you go to the work. This will be very handy one. And if you know how to use this one, you can get it onto the computer software because very similar. Okay, the command is about the same. Okay. But practice with this tool, you will be able to do with the computer software as well, okay, and make your life easier. Okay, so computation tool you must have. And you say, someone always asks me, do I need a scientific calculator? Well, scientific calculator like a TI-30 Texas instrument, right? I call TI is a Texas instrument. The model 30, I think some students show me, you got the statistical function inside too, but it's not complete, not all the function we have for this course, just for some. And there's another version of the calculator, I think Kaggle also provide the graphing calculator, can do the graph, can do the statistical function. But if you have manual on that one, it's fine if you know how to use it. Because our textbook is kind of supporting use of the TI-84. So after each chapter, they will post the instruction how you use the calculator. And I also post the video there. So you can learn much easier with the TI-84. Now I would like to know any question you have, right? We have Michelle here. If you have questions, you can start first. Oh, you. Mm-hmm.
The only thing I was gonna ask for now, because
Yeah.
the class just started, was that like when we're looking at like the assignments and the announcements and stuff, a lot of the dates on there are from like a different semester. So I was wondering if you were gonna be able to change those so that they're like more
Yes,
current.
I will. Because I
Okay.
just finished the summer section, okay?
Yeah.
And I teach the summer session, the second session. That means just few days before
Right. You
our
didn't really
full
have time.
semester. Okay, a week before, I think. And
Okay.
summer session finished, I had to do the grading. Oh, just one after the other. So I just make ready for your week 1, week 2. Okay.
Okay.
Week 3, week 4, I will continue updating. So
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
stay tuned. Will be
Yeah.
everything done this week. Okay.
Confusing.
Yeah, just too busy. Because summer session and this session started.
Okay.
Okay, so that's good
I'm
to
patient.
remind
I just
me.
was making sure
Yeah,
because it
make
is a little
sure.
confusing when you're looking
Yeah.
at the different
So
dates and
if you
stuff.
disregard, that still shows the 2024. Okay, that will be updated. But
Okay.
some of them, the week 1, week 2 are already done. Is 2025. So
Okay.
that's good
Thank
to
you.
know. And let me see. I will put all the due date because from the past, all the students prefer showing some due date, right? So that's give you some schedule. When I should have finished what?
Yes,
Because you're
that's
not only
helpful.
taking this class, right? And you can make a planning there. Yeah, sure. Thank you, Michelle. And this person, your name is a 5. I only see the number.
Is that me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
870-1675. That's your phone number?
I, I don't know why that's there, but
Okay.
I'm Miggy or Migette.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
So, me too. Can I change your name, huh? You,
Uh, yeah,
you
I
you
don't know
go
why it's
to
there.
you go to
And
Zoom here. Let me show you somewhere.
because
Uh,
I've come up twice in two
go to
separate
the
screens too.
participation there, and then you click on the name. Oh, go to your name. Okay. For example, go to your 5 here.
It
You
says
click on the
rename.
right side, there's the 3 dots. And 3 dots, I think you can rename. Yeah, rename. You can click on that and you can put your name on. Because I better to have your name to get your credit. So you can click on rename.
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I coming up?
Oh, here, Mickey. I saw one, Mickey.
Yeah. And then I come up
And then the
twice.
other one's still there, huh? You have 2. That's
And I
okay.
don't know why.
Just do one. Okay, so let's go to the next person, Eric. Yeah. Eric, do you have something to say to us or any questions?
No, I'm pretty good. I'm just trying to follow along.
Okay, sure. And I created the introduction forum, right? For you to introduce yourself. So I like everybody put something, right? Talking about yourself and also share with us something I required. That will be nice. Okay. And we like to meet each other. So post your picture. That's good. One day we may meet somewhere, right? And then we'll remember the face. Yeah. So that's good to post your picture that I can see. And this person evade from my screen here. I cannot see you. So maybe you're still working on your webcam. Get a webcam before the exam, right? Before the midterm exam. Now, next person, David. Oh, yeah. Now, Yvette came up. Hi. David, do you have anything you wanted to share with us?
Hi, Dr. Lee. Nice meeting you and
Thank you.
the class. My question is, this class, is it helping to prepare us for the statistics 1000 class?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, that's perfect because a lot of us have been out of school for a long time,
Yes,
or
that's
a lot
right.
of us haven't taken like a math class in
For a
a
long
long time,
time.
so we're
Yeah.
very nervous.
No,
But you know,
not to be nervous. Just try to do this. Man, 96 practice with those 7
no,
units.
yeah, well, I think a lot of us, we all have
Yeah.
2 classes, this one and the statistics 1000.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, so I think we'll all do good. You know,
Good.
if I have any questions, I will reach out to you.
Sure. You can
Class
always post your
participation,
question.
you're
Hmm.
okay with that, right? Class participation where we can reach out to one another
Oh
and
yeah,
kind of
please.
get support?
We try to share the information each other. I post a question. If anyone say, "Oh, I don't know how to do the problem number 2," and my steps, I got the partial credit right only. You can copy and paste from your homework. This
Okay.
this one, my OpenMath allow you to copy and paste and put onto our
Okay. And we can use,
Canvas.
you
Yeah.
prefer us to use Pronto to communicate with each other?
If you know how to use, you can.
Okay. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
on it's on the
Yeah, it's
module.
one of the
Yeah.
feature
Okay.
you can use. Yeah.
Nope, that's
Please.
it. I'm
Yeah,
sure
very
you'll be
good.
hearing more of me. A
Sure.
lot of questions.
Okay, that's good.
Okay,
Bring
thank
up the
you.
question. Now, Evate, now we can see you. Do you have anything to share? Oh, you had to unmute. Unmute yourself because we cannot hear you.
Okay, all good?
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
good now.
For the first discussion, did you want us to incorporate a picture of ourselves on our profile in our discussion and a picture of a scenery that we like? So 3 pictures?
Yeah, actually 2 pictures.
Okay.
If you post if you upload the picture from your computer onto the profile,
Okay.
student profile in Canvas, it will automatically pop out on our Canvas. Every
Okay.
time when you say something, will show you a picture there.
Yeah.
And the other one is a scenery to
Okay.
share with everybody where you have been and we like to share each other to see, enjoy that place. Some place we never been there, but through the classmate, we got to see, oh, that's my plane. When I graduate, I go there. One of day I will go there, right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next one, Nicole Brown. How are you? You had to unmute. Yeah.
I don't have any questions. I'm all good.
Oh, all good. No question yet. Okay. Thank you. Or sometimes you may say, what's your major? Okay. What are your interest? Because in the past, I found that some students that come to the Zoom meeting, we discovered, oh, we are working in the same place. I have student and nurse, working in the same Kaiser hospital, but they never met each other. But through the class, they say, I mean, on the first, I'm working on the fifth floor, and the other one say, I always the second floor. So they got to communicate each other. Yeah, and they say, yeah, from now on, if in break time, we can meet each other to do the homework or do something together. So that's kind of fun. Next person I can see from my screen here. Let's go to Stephanie. Stephanie?
Hi, I know it's hard to see. The sun shines in my room, and
Oh, your room is plenty of the
so I don't
sunshine.
it's every evening it does this, but yeah, I don't have any questions. I'm nursing major, finishing up my
Nursing major.
yeah.
Very
So.
good. Yeah, good. We can bring question next time. So next person, I think Kiara Woods. Are you there? Okay, good.
Yeah, I'm there.
We can
Hi.
see you. Hi.
I don't have any questions yet for the class. I'm just gonna get into it and then I'll email you if I have any questions. Only had the one question and somebody answered it already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. If about the question of the homework or
It was
homework
just about
house, we
yeah,
will
it was
post
about
on the
the
discussion board.
yeah.
Yeah, because there's a reason here. Because if you post on the discussion board, I can use those mathematical symbols. Okay, because the platform of the Canvas allow us to use the math symbol method tools. And email no, right? So sometimes it's very difficult for me to express the work.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And what's your major?
Business administration.
Business administration. Good. Next person, Rodela Hurtado. Rodela.
Hi, Miss Lee. I'm back.
Yes, you're back. I remember.
Yes.
I saw the names kind of familiar.
I had to leave last time. It's because I had a new job that I had to go to, and it was like a month travel, and so I couldn't
That's right. You
finish off.
mentioned that. They got the new job offer.
Yes, and so now I got to finish this because this is my last. I have 2 classes left. This one that's here, and then one left at Cal State Long Beach, and then I'm done. I'll have my degree in
Good. This time you had to
administration.
get done.
Yay! Yes, I'll be
Very
done.
good. Very close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but I'm excited. I have to tell everybody here, Professor Lee is very good. She is very clear and thorough, and she takes her time. She'll want to go over anything that you are not understanding. So, you guys are going to like her class. That's why I came back. I was like halfway done, but I couldn't finish because of my work trip that
because
I
of
took
new
away.
job. Yeah.
Correct. I couldn't do it, but I'm glad I'm back and I'm going to finish it here with you, Professor.
Sure. Welcome back. I'm so
Thank you.
happy to see you again.
I have to finish. It's it. I only have 2 classes left. Thank you.
This time we'll get done. Okay. And let's go to next one. Jessica, Ken. Jessica, are you there?
Hi. Yeah,
Hi.
I'm
You are
here.
in the
My name is
car?
Jessica. Yes.
Right?
Yes, my name is Jessica. I'm also a nursing major. I don't have any questions, just excited to get the ball rolling.
Sure. Very good. Oh, I got a message. Your battery is running low. I'm sorry. Let me get my battery. Oh. I was using this one for some other things. I don't want to interrupt. Okay. Installed my battery. This morning I took it to some meeting, so from roll. Okay, so very good, Jessica. And the next person, Kiara. Oh, Kiara, did you talk already? Kiara? Yes.
Yeah, I just talked.
So she just finished. Right. Now, next person is Max Mendez. How are you, Max?
Good. I'm a cybersecurity major. No questions at the moment. Just
okay, good.
excited to use this to help get me back into algebra again.
Sure, very good. Since you're a cybersecurity major, maybe you can help the class with some technology, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Next person, Kate. I don't see your complete name, so CAT-NH. Is that the complete name? Hello? Well, let's move on to the next person. Rosalia Ramirez. Are you there?
Hi, I'm here.
Oh, good. Would you please share something with us?
I'm also a nursing major and I don't have any questions right now. I'm excited to start learning with everyone and get back into algebra.
Sure. Yeah, so far we already heard the 3 people nursing major.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, okay. Next person, Lourdes Torres. Are you there, Lourdes?
I am. Hello, class. I am my major is social work. And the question I had is, now that you asked that we have to have our webcam on when we're taking the midterm and the exam.
Final exam, yeah.
So if we use our cell phones as our calculator, since there's apps, is that allowed?
Okay. What's the calculator? If you download the calculator app,
correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
You download it, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Mhm.
Okay, I think that was my only question, and I'm excited
Sure.
for this class.
Sure. Welcome. And what's your major?
Social work.
Social work. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So I think some people didn't know you were a major, right? How about Michelle? What is your major?
I am doing child development.
Development. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. In the future, you can open your preschool, right?
Yeah.
Good. And Miget, Miget, how I pronounce your name?
Yeah, Miget.
Miget. What's your
I'm
major?
heading towards horticultural therapy.
I see. Good. And oh, now I see the Sunshine Banks.
Wait, I have a question on that. Is that CBD?
No,
CBD.
it's not. It's dealing with climate crimes, like climate grief and things like that, but it's also creating gardens for hospitals, for people with limited abilities, capabilities, helping people or young childhood trauma victims, working through their trauma in a garden.
Wow. Yeah, that's kind of therapy, right?
That kind of thing, yeah.
Yes, yes. Coastline College in that campus, Newport Beach campus, we have very big department for brain injury department. And I saw they are offering the music, gardening, and how the cooking, and those kind of things. Very interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, I've been a gardener for 30 years.
Gardening.
So
How many years?
almost 30, yeah.
30 years.
Garden design mainly.
That's very nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Sunshine just got in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No questions. I am an early childhood education major.
Major. Very good. So who else didn't say yet? I think Eric, I didn't hear from you about your major.
Yeah, I'm doing political science and transferring to like pre-law. That's what they told me was the best for transferring to pre-law. So I'm in law.
Political science, yeah. Are you going to the law school?
I mean, if they take me, I'm doing my best.
You
I kind of need all A's, so I'm not trying to give you any hints or
You
anything.
will.
But,
No,
yeah.
you set up the goal, you will go. I have a lot of students, yeah, like you, political science major, and now they are all lawyers. How about next one, Evade?
Nursing.
Nursing, you and two others, you are nursing. And Stephanie did you say yours already? Nursing too?
Yes, nursing.
Yeah, nursing, I remember that. Okay. So everybody, today is just the first time we meet together. It's more like an introduction. And if you have any questions about the course, structure or things, right? And like any question you have, you can ask today. But I know we still don't have not much of the question yet because just first week. So I will expect next week when we see again, then you will bring more questions for me, right? So that's good. And the questions not only from the algebra skill, from the real statistic that you need to get a credit, that one. Yeah, also welcome. Okay, all the statistical questions. Yes, Yvette?
For your bio discussion describing about ourselves,
yeah,
the same exact one for the supporting class and then for this class. Do we have to respond to two different people, or can we copy paste to the same person?
You can copy and paste.
Okay,
that's fine. Because the reason they separate the two courses, that's why we are the same community here, same classmate. So
Okay, thank you.
it's fine. Just copy and paste over. Save your time. Yeah. All right. Oh, I saw Catherine. New face. Hi, Catherine.
Hi, I was having problems with my computer. Finally got situated.
Yeah, sometimes technology problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you have any questions you would like to
No
ask?
questions.
No questions? Not yet, right?
Mm-mm.
And what's your major? We would like to know.
Nursing as well.
Nursing too, yeah. So we have so many more like a nursing major. That's very good. So for today, we are almost at time. And if you have no more questions, I will mention something about the statistics of Math 160. Okay. Math 160, that's the one way really determine your later grade ABC, right? DOF there. I hope everyone get a good grade because in the past, most students got an A or B pass the class. Unless you have some reason you have to drop or stop incomplete. So that's why we only have midterm exam and final exam for the math one sheet and stat 1000. I used to call math 160 because until the turn of the Rodela took this class was called as a math 160. Okay? That's the original name. But the state chancellor office wanted make a common number for all the statistical class. So students, when they transfer from one university to the other university or from college transfer to another school, easier to recognize this is the equivalent course here. Before, each college called different number, right? 120, 100, 180. But now they want everybody just call 1000 and use a stat. STAT has a prefix. So that's why the name changed. But the content is still same. Okay. And it's, I would say, statistics is the most useful mathematics, applied mathematics. I have studied so many different subjects of the math, right? And finally, I decided to go to statistics for my graduate school. So I went to the doctoral PhD program for statistics, applied statistics, because I found that this is more useful, okay, that we can apply to the real world. And for your work, for your own business, or for working for some company, you will be able to present something if you have this statistical knowledge, okay. And the statistics become the critical thinking requirement for all the majors. Okay, doesn't matter you go the music or theater major, or you want to go to the computer science. Now all require you must take this one. Statistic is considered critical thinking subject for all the students. So consider more useful. And so back to that time, 1998, I decided to change the statistics. I was right. Yeah. So I'm so happy to see all of you here, and I hope we see you again next Wednesday. Okay. But in case you have something happen, that's okay. Just follow the instruction I put on the discussion board there. Afterwards, you can watch the video because this video is recorded. Okay. And watch video, and if still couldn't answer your questions there, you can always post your questions and share any questions you discover from the homework assignment from Math 160. Okay, as long as you show your participation, you got your credit. Okay, every time participation, we have points for that. So it's about the time 5:59. And I will see you next week. Okay. And you're very welcome to post anything on the
Bye,
discussion
class.
board. Okay. So now we say goodbye and see you next time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.